Follow these steps and I'll show you how I get it on my Amazon Fire Stick. Head to the search icon and download an application called Downloader. Downloader gives you the ability to sideload applications onto your Amazon Fire TV Stick or any Android device. So type in DOWN, Downloader. If you do not already own it, get it, download it, and install it. So click on the orange icon, Downloader. I already own it, so I'm just going to download it. Once it's installed, do not open it yet. Let's go to the home screen. We need to jailbreak our Amazon Fire TV Stick, which is actually just enabling an option. So head over to the settings icon on the far right, come down to My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options already listed, you can just go to the About right above it there, click on it with your remote, and under Fire TV Stick, or while Fire TV Stick is highlighted, use the remote and click it about 7 to 10 times. And now it says no need, you're already a developer. You can go back one step, back to the Fire TV settings options, and under developer options, click on it. Under install unknown apps, click on that and it shows Downloader. And we can just click it to turn it on. This allows Downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. So we can go back to the home screen and head over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon, settings, your apps and games section. Use the 3-line button on your remote and let's move this to the front because this will be our new App Store, folks. Now once Downloader is now back on the home screen, Downloader is now a shortcut. We can click on Downloader. And yes, allow Downloader to access media and files on our device. Allow, click OK. And under the URL or search term, we're going to put in a shortcut. 370.178. This will take us to our Led by the Unknown download page. Once the 5-second redirect is completed, you can use the 3-line button on your remote and add page to favorites. We can hit save and then you can just use the favorites on the left side there of the toolbar. Now guys, if there's one thing I could ask is if you could just share this with your friends and family. It'll help out a lot. And of course, everybody wants applications like this on their Android device or on their Amazon Fire Stick. We can head down a little bit, and we have there's movies and TV shows, apps, and live TV, which is what we had. So this top one here under live TV, we can click on it, and it takes us to the downloads page for the application. We can head back down. We can head down now to the area to download the application. So click on the link. Click install. Once it's installed, just click done. Then we can delete the APK file and we go back to the home screen. When you're at the home screen, head over to the 3 squares plus sign. Get to your apps and games. Find the app, and of course highlight it and move it to the front. There you go, folks. Enjoy. Peace.